Eligible item equal lesser value, multiple discounts. You've seen all that before. So purchasing the 12 count, that's at regular price. And now I want to buy a different cookie kit, but only going to do 6 count. You can see here that it dropped it half off. And let's see if it kicked in for my cookie class. It did. All right, buy 2 seats for 100. Gives you the discount, buy $2, get 20. Well, that's not right. It's not 20 off each, it's 20 off total. So that shows you I actually have it set up incorrectly. So I'm gonna go back and fix that. Quantity. All right, let's see if it updates it. Still showing 20 off of each. Again, this could be that the system hasn't kicked in yet. Once you get that adjusted correctly, it'll show buy 2, get $20 off. So when you add to your cart, it's showing here the way I had it set up before. So it's showing the $20 off of each. So that's a good way to test if you have it set up the way you want it, is look at those details. You can't see this unless you have it live and active. So keep that in mind that you have to be able to go and look at it to be able to test it. Close that out. Are there any questions, any kind of discount that you would like to see? Give it a second for guys to type anything in. If you are watching this on a replay, please type in your comments that you're watching it on a replay so I know and I can go back. All right, don't see any questions. I had someone ask in the group before about if this is applicable to an invoice. So if you're used to setting up invoices on Square, whether you're doing it desktop or the app, it is not. So the way that most discounts you can work is you add it right here, and you can, it's gonna be a percentage or a dollar amount. So those kinds of discounts are not currently available on the invoice section. It'd be nice. I can send that up to the powers that be at Square and see if they are interested in adding that to their options. All right. Still not seeing any questions. Do they show up on the POS side of things? So it's actually been available for the register in POS for quite a while. You set it up the exact same way, but when you go into your point of sale system in your app, that's where you'll see everything. They just recently gave it and made it available and workable to people with a website. So yes, as long as you have it set up and you've got those items visible, and you have everything selected, it should show up in your point of sale. Good question. All right, well, I don't see any other questions. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I apologize for the issue in the beginning. Thank you for joining me for take 2. I hope this was informative. If you have any questions that you think of afterwards, please feel free to put them here, or you can send me a message. I'm very, very willing to share and help everybody. Thank you guys, and have a great night.